I'm Don Ardell, the author of Freedom from Religion in 30 Days. Today's topic about words of potential wisdom have to do with the importance of separation of church and state. I'd like to give 4 examples among many possibilities of ways in which the wall of separation is under attack. Let's look at 4 different expressions that elected officials use at every possible opportunity. The first is, "In God we trust." Another is, "God bless America." Another one is, "So help me God." And the fourth is, "One nation under God," in the Pledge of Allegiance. In God we trust? I don't think so. 30% of Americans don't even believe in God, and a lot of other people go along with it because of social pressures. So help me God? I don't think God's into helping people just because they say something like that. God bless America? Nah, I don't think so. You can't count on that. And really, just because a politician throws that on as a matter of course, is God really going to do anything about that if there were one? One nation under God? Forget about it. Since 1776, America has been one from many, or e pluribus unum, a single nation from a collection of states. Unfortunately, we're not even indivisible either, nor does America yet guarantee liberty and justice for all. Do your part to oppose and resist these platitudes. Let's get government out of religion. Be well.